This week, you're looking at two chapters from the Essentials for Children's Literature. And the reason we're looking at these two is we'll be using them not just this week, but for the rest of this extended unit on the Fantastic in Children's Lit, as well as leading up to that illustration project that we'll be doing. So the first is on illustrations. And it introduces us to the terminology that we use to say why we like or don't like a picture. And that is something that you've probably been able to experience since before you could read. You knew what you liked and what you didn't. Now, how do you talk about it, and how do you talk about the selections that you're making for Kids Lit? So know how to analyze it with the visual elements, know those terms, and also how to observe the role of illustrations within the book and the reading experience for a kid. Chapter 9, we're looking at what is the fantastic in Kids Lit. Know all those definitions. Those are great definitions. Know how to evaluate and select fantasy and science fiction. And they give you a nice table for going through things, which can be good for explaining your reasoning. And then look at the reader connection to journey maps, because we'll be using journey maps in our lessons today. So that's what we're looking at. And then quiz 1 is going to cover all of the material from Essentials to Children's Literature that we have been reading since the beginning of class.